Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're exploring the best digital oscilloscopes of 2025, highlighting top models that offer exceptional bandwidth, sampling rates, and advanced functionalities to suit various needs and budgets. All product links are in the description below. Let's dive in and find the perfect oscilloscope to elevate your electronics projects. Number 5. Hamatech HO11 Handheld Digital Oscilloscope. The Hamatech HO11 is a compact handheld digital oscilloscope built for users who need portability and reliable signal measurement. This unit offers a 10 MHz bandwidth and a sampling rate of 48 megasamples per second, making it suitable for capturing accurate waveforms in real time. It supports various testing needs, including troubleshooting and basic diagnostics in both personal and professional environments. Its 2.8-inch full-color thin-film transistor display helps users view signal data clearly under different lighting conditions. Number 4. FNIR C2C53T Handheld Oscilloscope. The FNIR C2C53T is an upgraded handheld oscilloscope that combines multiple testing functions in a compact and battery-powered device. Weighing approximately 400 grams, it offers a 3-in-1 design that includes a digital oscilloscope, a multimeter, and a signal generator, making it useful for technical tasks in various settings such as laboratories, workshops, or field service. This model features a 50 MHz bandwidth and a sampling rate of 250 megasamples per second. It supports 2 channels and includes features like automatic measurement, cursor tools, persistence display, and XY mode for comparing signal behavior. The waveform display uses a 2.8-inch liquid crystal screen, which clearly shows signals and measurements for better visibility during analysis. Number 3. ZI 3-in-1 Handheld Oscilloscope. The ZYI 3-in-1 Handheld Oscilloscope is a compact electronic testing tool designed to assist with automotive and general signal diagnostics. This device combines an oscilloscope, a digital multimeter, and a signal generator into a single unit. It weighs around 380 grams and is battery-powered, making it easy to carry and suitable for on-the-go usage. The oscilloscope function operates with 2 input channels and supports a maximum bandwidth of 50 MHz. It can display different waveform types such as pulse signals, circular waves, and noise signals. When the waveform is unknown, the automatic recognition function helps adjust settings without manual configuration, improving testing accuracy and speed. Number 2. FNIR CDSO152 Digital Oscilloscope. The FNIR CDSO152 is a portable digital oscilloscope that many users have recently purchased for both learning and basic electronics work. It features a high-definition liquid crystal display measuring 2.8 inches, which shows waveforms with a resolution of 320 by 240. This makes it easy to read signal data even in bright conditions. It offers a sampling rate of 2.5 megasamples per second and can handle a bandwidth up to 200 kHz. This allows the device to manage low to mid-frequency signals, making it useful for students, hobbyists, and electronics technicians. Number 1. Siglent Technologies Digital Oscilloscope. The Siglent Technologies is a digital oscilloscope that has gained attention from many buyers in recent months. It comes in a gray color and belongs to the decoder style from the Siglent brand. This product is powered by a United States standard power source and weighs around 6.6 pounds. The overall package weight reaches approximately 4.0 kilograms. The Siglent Technologies offers a standard decoder designed to support various protocols such as inter-integrated circuit, serial peripheral interface, universal asynchronous receiver transmitter, controller area network, and local interconnect network. This makes it a suitable tool for people working with digital signals across different systems. The 4-channel series includes additional options like 16 digital channels for mixed signal operations and a universal serial bus arbitrary waveform generator module. These extras are available for specific models within the 4-channel range. Some bundle combinations are available for purchase alongside this oscilloscope. These options include packages with an adapter, 1500-volt ampere battery backup, surge protector, multimeter, or an advanced scanner. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.